Hello, welcome to our channel Saltry. So, bored of using those monotonous words, huh? Beautiful, gorgeous, all the time? Well, now today I have something new for you. Instead of using those same monotonous word every time, we present you something different. So next time, whenever you're complimenting someone, instead of using beautiful, try using these words. So these words can really improve your communication skills as well. You can use them in writing because they'll engage the readers even more. But try not to use too much of these words because they can detract the readers. Alright? So, starting with the words. The first word is alluring. Alluring means something which is highly attractive or enchanting. We have the sentence usage for the word, which is she was wearing an alluring dress at the dinner party. So whenever you're using the word alluring, it can be connected with the personality of the person or maybe the outfit the person's wearing. Alright? Then we have a second word, which is listen. So this is used with regard to the body or the physique. All right, when we need to compliment someone's physique, like someone who has a very sleek, slim and very flexible figure, we can use the word listen. So whenever you're using this, make sure that you're using it with respect to complimenting someone's figure, alright, someone's physique. We have the sentence usage for the word, that is, Lissom breakdancers twisted and bent their bodies energetically. So you see that whenever we're talking about this, or you can also take this word for describing someone's performance, someone's pace, the way someone walks. You can use it that way, how gracefully the person's walking. Okay. Now we have a third word, which is ethereal. Ethereal means light, airy, heavenly. It is characterized by the feminine romantical aesthetic. Alright. So this is a very subtle word that you can use it. So next time when you want to simply say like gorgeous, try using it with word ethereal because it refers to something very angelic, divine. So make a use of it. Alright. The sentence usage for the word is she's the prettiest, most ethereal romantic heroine in the movies. Alright. So this is also the word that you can use for telling about someone's personality. Okay. Then we have a next word, which is euphonious. Now when we talk about this word, we are complimenting someone for its melodious voice. Alright, because as I previously talked about, listen can be used for complimenting someone's physique, but this one can be used for complimenting someone's voice. So I have segregated the words according to the personality, the body physique and their voice. Okay, so it means that the person has got such a pleasant and a sweet voice that when you're next time complimenting, you can use the word euphonious. Okay, the sentence usage is he was enchanted by her euphonious voice. Okay, now we have a next word, which is mesmerizing. Mesmerizing is honestly being very inclined towards something that you can't take your eyes off, kind of which is hypnotizing. Alright, which is something that is highly attractive for you that you just can't get off it. You can't just stop looking at it. The sentence usage for the word is she had the most mesmerizing smile. Now you can also use it with eyes, smile or maybe something else because this tells about someone's features. You can also use it with like someone's got like really pretty blue eyes. So mesmerizing blue eyes or mesmerizing smile. Alright. Then we have another word which is ravishing. Now ravishing is a really good word when you talk about very delightful or a captivating beauty. We use this word when the beauty is just beyond expression. So we prefer using the word ravishing, that it was the splendid beauty. Alright. So the sentence usage for it is that the event planner designed a ravishing setting for the elaborate gala. Alright, because it was a beautiful event which was planned by it. But you can also use it for other stuff, like she looked pretty, she looked ravishing in the red outfit. Alright, and now we have a last word which is resplendent. Okay? So this means it is characterized by some very brightly or glowing splendor, which is because of the fashion or the jewelry that the person's wearing. So when you use this word resplendent, you use it for telling someone's beauty because of the kind of the clothes that the person's wearing or the jewelry that the person's having on it. Alright, the sentence usage for the word is she looked resplendent in her gorgeous green gown. Now, let's take a quick recap of all the words. The first word is alluring. As I told you, alluring, we use it for describing the personality, that overall the personality is amazing. Then the second word is lissom, which is used for describing or adoring someone's body physique. So we say it like for complimenting someone's physique. Then we have another word which is euphonious, when we need to compliment someone's sweet voice or a pleasant voice. And then our fourth word is mesmerizing, which is used for exhibiting some kind of features, like you've got the most mesmerizing eyes or the mesmerizing smile. So you can use this word for that. Then we have another word which is ravishing. So we use the word ravishing when we need to describe a beauty which is beyond expression and it is very splendid. And now we have a last word, that is resplendent. We use it for complimenting someone for their fashion dress, jewelry, etc. Alright. Thank you. Hope you use these words. Kindly like, subscribe and share our channel Salchi.